Hi guys, now we are heading towards the Arkaji railway station. We departed from the bus and now we are heading towards the railway station as I said to you. You can see this is the market of the fruits where you may purchase the vegetable as well as fruits. So whatever you want to purchase, you may purchase from here. And, we are going. Suju forgot that we had to devote here and he was not able to see. I was seeing and I was trying to devote here, but I was not able to search to Suju, so that's why we went anywhere. And now from there we came back and now we are heading towards. So you can see this is the fruit and vegetable market of the Okla. From here you may purchase the fruit and vegetable. You can see he is pulling his auto rickshaw driver is pulling. You may also see here is the auto, so you can also see.
Let's drink.
Hmm? What you want to drink, but they will give you costly Suju. Okay, purchase. So Suju is going to purchase the juice. No, I don't want to drink the juice. Suju is going to purchase the juice and she is going to drink. She is giving the here. We will take the railway and from after taking the railway we will go to our home. So making vlog is important, but the thing is that pay money. You paid. Okay, let's go. Carefully. Let's go. So we are going. Suju drank the sugarcane juice. Now we are going. Yeah, so let's go. Let's see. Here is the auto coming. He's honking. You can see here is a temple. So here you may also worship if you want to worship here. You can see there is a girl who is selling the bhutta. What is called bhutta? Do you know?
I forget.
Uh, corn. है ना? Yeah, so
Do you
that is
want?
called. No, I don't want. There is also a mango. You may also purchase mango from here if you want to purchase. We are heading towards the railway station. Kalkaji. Kalkaji railway station is here. And we will wait there for the train to come. I think that the train will come at 2-3 o'clock, and after that we will take the train and we will go. If you want to see my condition, you may see my condition. So, yeah, it's okay. This is the life journey.
No, so that.
And the doctor has injected one pipe, and because I am the patient of urology, I have said many times. So the thing is that start making blog. Making blog is important. You may see the train is there. This is not the train of ours. This is something else. So now we are going. We are heading towards. So guys, the thing that you should also try to make a blog. When you start making a blog, so your English will be more fluent because I didn't have practice. I just used to study a lot of newspapers and I didn't talk with anyone, but I used to record myself. I used to talk. I used to do like this. So now these days I started making a blog, but sometimes I get afraid because here a lot of person are not educated. So if I start making blog, so they will start saying that why are you making a blog, but it is necessary and important also for my subscriber as well who really want to learn English. So Suju, do you want to say something?
No,
If you,
I'm tired.
okay, if you want to say, then you may say, because I am making a blog, so you could also make blog. So we are going to purchase a ticket from here. Suju, go and purchase ticket.
Give me money.
Suju is going to purchase a ticket from here.
So the condition of ticket.
counter. This is the reality. Suju is going to purchase a ticket. See carefully money. Money is 20. Is it's more okay? Go and purchase the ticket.
Varanasi.
Ah no, Vallavgarh. This is not Rajanar Singh. This is not metro station. So Suju is purchasing. Suju is purchasing the ticket. He has given the money. You may see the train has come, and this is something else. This is not our train. Now see, then you may say the train is here. So let's go. Let's go. We will. Let's go. Are you not able
What?
to see? The thing is that they will announce. Are you not
He
educated?
said that the train is time
Delayed.
has gone, but train is delayed. So
Yeah. So it's compulsory. Train also delays here. It's a local train always delays. They do not go at the
I'm
right
going
time.
to fill
Guys,
my
you may see
bottle.
this is the train, and here is a banyan tree.
I'm going to fill the bottle.
So just going to fill the water. Water is not good. Yeah, you may fill there.
Yeah.
There is the water available. Go and fill the water.
You go and sit.
So while Suju is going to fill the water, you may see there is a rush. Some person are filling the water. Suju has also gone. No, that is not good. Oh, that is not cold drink. From there you may take the cold drink. You can see this kind of what kind of things he is doing. What kind of thing he is doing. He is doing. So this is doing. He is doing like a kind of mental thing. So now we are going to the platform number 2, 3. It may be. You can see 2%, 3% are sitting on the
There is
bench. Sometimes
I'm going to check.
I think that comes here. There is water not available. You will have to fill from their water. Cold drink water is available there. That side.
They have-
Seetal cold.
I will
Huh?
bring.
Go. If you want to bring water from there, go.
I just
Water is available there. Cold water. They are standing there. If you don't want to drink, then let's go. So I think that train will come on this platform. I don't know. Local train comes here. Okay, let's go. We are going to sit here when the announcement is being done by them. So we will go to another. So you may see the train is standing here. So start making guys vlog. Making vlog is important for you as well as for each and every person who really want to be fluent in English. You can see. There is also our village. Okay, let's see. That will come on the platform number 3. Let's see. We are going to platform number 3 from there. We will take the train. Now we are going on upstairs. And we can say that we are going by staircase. We are using the ladder. Let's see. Are you able to see? Dog is sleeping over here. He's enjoying his life. 1:46. Time is 1:46. Train is about to come. I am going carefully. Making vlog is important. I each and every time I think to make a lot of vlog. As I said to you, I read. But it is not good for me. Suju is going there. You may see. Suju is going there. She has covered her face with the scarf. Now you can see 2% are sitting here and drinking. They are drinking the water. Platform number 3, third. Let's go. Let's go. Train is about to come on platform number 3. So we are going on platform number 3. You can see few ladies are on the bridge. This is the bridge. I am going from the bridge to downstairs. You can see some people are sitting on the ladder. I am going to downstairs. When the train comes, I will also make a vlog and I will try to upload the vlog. You can see each and every person uses the phone, but they do not know the value. They should try to speak, they should try to upload the videos on their channel. With this their English will improve. We have come, there is not seat available. So hey, should you fill the water is available, good water. I just that is why I was saying that fill the water
You
from
said
there.
that you do not want.
Arey, we miss eat something, so that's why I'm saying we can have
If
something.
you want, then I will fill.
Is there water is good?
I don't want.
See, water is
It's
good. Then
not cold.
normal water is this. So just drink the water. No. Okay, so let's go. Seat is not available here. You can see a lot of public are here. They are sitting. They are waiting for the train to come. When the train come, they will sit on. So there is one seat available, two branch
Let's go.
near the banyan tree. Let's go. So now we are going near the banyan tree. Hey, here you can also see a train is standing here. And which is this rail? I Viswanathpur Hazrat Nizam. Yeswantpur Hazrat Nizamuddin. Oh, two guys is going to sit on that branch. So it's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are going to sit here. So we start making the vlogs here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Now we have reached here. We are going to build the train.